90% of the online learners quit before finishing a course, but communities change that completely. This is exactly where creators struggle. You build great course, you build amazing modules, you have created quizzes and assignments, but people are really reluctant to finish the course and they disappear and you never know why. It's not that they're not interested, but they're just lacking the motivation to do that. There's no feedback from you, there's no actual peers to learn with, and there's no accountability. And that's why most learning businesses are shifting from course-only models to community-focused learning. You might be asking, there are multiple community tools that are free, right? Like Facebook, Discord, Slack, and etc., etc. But why not use those? Because students will feel disconnected with that, and that causes friction. Your learning is happening away from the actual community, right? And your brand will feel disconnected totally. And your brand will not be matched with Facebook or Discord's branding, right? And on top of that, you have literally zero control over the experience. Your learners shouldn't have to jump between 4 different apps. Rather, community should be there where learning is happening. And that's why community should be integrated with the course that you're actually building. And here's how you should use community. Peer-to-peer learning. Students exchange ideas, troubleshoot together, and share their wins. This reduces your support load and builds trust inside the group. Accountability threads. Learners track progress, share milestones, and help each other stay consistent, which massively boosts the course completion rates. Topic-focused groups. Create groups for beginners, advanced learners, or niche topics inside your LMS. This makes discussions meaningful and reduces extra noises. Community events. Run live Q&A calls, workshops, cohort check-ins, and expert sessions, all inside the same ecosystem. This keeps your students involved even after their course has been finished. So if you want your students to stay focused, engaged, and succeed, don't rely on content alone. Build a community, a space where learning becomes a shared experience. And in Creator LMS, you get everything in one place. So try it out today and let us know in the comment box how you're using community to enrich your learning business. Stay tuned until my next video and like, follow, and subscribe. Take care.